It's completely stopped. Hey everybody, it's Clint for the BLT. Welcome back to the Barely Legal team. We're going to be doing the side skirt today on the GTR, the new carbon skirt that is replacing the old damaged carbon skirt. Look at that. Side skirt is broken right here, all marked up and scraped and broken all the way along the bottom here, almost to the back, but broken in half pretty much midway. All right, now we're ready to pull off the old carbon skirt here. We'll just go into the tool chest. Pin puller, we'll push clip puller I should say, we'll get that in there. There it is, okay. So that one's out, and I have the rear one out already. I'll open the door and see if we can pop it off. See what happens here. All right, here we go. Grab it by the rear and take the rear off first.
That'll do it.
Did you see that?
Don't scratch it or anything.
Yeah, you don't want to scratch it.
Yeah, sure hates damage
Yeah,
it.
it just fell right off. Wow, look at this thing. Now you can see it. From when now it's off the vehicle, you can actually look at it on the bottom side.
Look at the way that
Oh,
the,
yeah.
like, epoxy's cracked and stuff from it too.
Yeah, sort of de-lammed on the back side and then,
That'll buff out.
oh, it'll buff right out, yeah. Broken twice here. There's the outside where you can see it's almost broken in half. Like really close when you see it. It's another 3 inches and it would have broke this side skirt right in half. You can see where the curb came along the side of it, just destroyed it. Wow, but like Harrison says, you know, it could buff out. Okay, now these are the new carbon side skirts for the GTR. As you can see, they need a little bit of modification. Drilling here and here. And then they marry up with the existing holes that are in the body. And you can put a push clip in there to hold them on. And then we'll probably use a self-tapper on the bottom to go into the bottom plastic of the body. It's not a big deal. It's just all plastic underneath, so to hold them on the bottom. But I'm gonna set one on right now and see how it fits. Here's the back. Dude, yeah.
This side doesn't look like it's gonna fit.
Fuck it does.
Look how off it is.
Oh, dude, do you know why? You know what's going on with this?
Oh!
There we go.
Well, now this side's off though.
Yeah, for sure it is. See, the plastics on the bottom got pulled out of place and a little bit bent. So need to be just shoved underneath, like that. So if you could see, that black push clip thing is where the old OEM push clip goes into the body. They say to drill right here.
It's not in the same place at all.
It's not in the same place. So if I drill this,
Same with this one over here.
yeah, to receive the any kind of device or clip to go into the body, it's never gonna line up. See, it's off by at least an inch.
Seems like it's. Look how it like falls down too. Like it's
Oh, I know.
twisted or something.
It's
just bad molds.
yeah.
Knockoff part or something. Because we don't know what name brand it is, right? It might just be.
Well, I got it secondhand, so he didn't even know. So, yeah.
But it's obviously never been mounted. There's no holes in it, so secondhand, never used.
Never used. It was never fitted. So yeah, he had no idea. I bet it was this bad.
Huh.
Like that. So what I could do, and what a lot of people would do at this point, is probably get this into position, take a self-tap screw, go through the carbon fiber and into the body of this car.
This isn't a $1,000 Honda Civic.
Exactly.
I don't care what you think about GTRs. If you have any sort of nice car, do it right or don't do it at all.
Oh yeah, I'm not going to do that. Like, I'm trying to figure out how I can get these on, but right now it's not looking too good.
Well, let's play with it a little off camera and report back what we find.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure.
Okay, I guess what's happened is I've called the guy and I've explained the situation of what's going on and how they don't fit, and I can't see it working out. Like, it's just, they fit so poorly that it's gonna have to be returned or the money back or something like that. But he said, yeah, just return them. I will give you replacements. And so for now, what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna throw the old one back on. We're gonna actually zap strap and drift stitch this side skirt, the old one, back onto the GTR. And
So what's it, drift stitch?
drift stitch. So
We're gonna fix it with duct tape and zip ties.
And zip ties. So here we go.
Every mechanic's favorite tool.
Yeah. So here's the old one. So all we got to do is drill in these areas here on either side of the crack on the carbon, and maybe on the bottom, right here and here. And we'll drill this, zap strap it together, and then we'll reinstall it on the side of the GTR. There's the new one that doesn't fit. But yeah, we're gonna reinstall this one till the new side skirts get here. And yeah, so gonna have a little bit of drift stitch on the GTR. That'll be cool.
So, not everyone knows this, but drilling and cutting into carbon fiber can actually be pretty hazardous when it turns into a thin dust. It's like asbestos. So, as much as we're idiots, we're not idiots. Let's, better safe than sorry. We're wetting it down with a hose to keep the dust down. We got masks on. You know, safe as we can be. And, let's send it.
Okay guys, we're drilling the carbon fiber. It's unbelievably tough. Like, I can't get over how tough it is to drill it. It's strong. Like, wow. No wonder they build race cars out of it. It's tough stuff. Okay guys, there we go. We've got the carbon drilled in different spots here that all line up, and now we're ready to actually get the zap straps on that will hold it and bind it together. And then this side skirt will actually go back on the car. So that'll be good enough for now. Okay, we got some safety tape going down on there. Added on with the zap straps. This is my handiwork. That's Harrison's handiwork. You see the difference?
Look at that.
All right.
No one can get slivers now when they walk by. That's nice and professional. I think we did better than just replacing it.
Oh, I think this is better than OEM.
We should start
Or an actual replacement. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll get that onto the GTR and we'll show you the finished product once we get back. All right guys, we have it zap strapped up or drift stitched. And Harrison's went and put some black duct tape over some of it, so it's color blending now. It looks great. Yeah, it's pretty stable, pretty sturdy. It looks like crap, but we'll put it back on the GTR, and it'll do until we get the other one in the mail. So,
you know what I'm just noticing now? It's thin enough that it's see-through.
Oh yeah, you can see right through it. Yeah,
that's interesting.
Yeah.
And I don't even think that's from damage. That's just how it is.
It's just delayed.
Cool. Learn something new every day. While you're drift stitching together your GTR.
So this is a lot better fitting aftermarket skirt for sure. And this one just clips right on. Like, this is the difference between the other one and this one. Like,
this is the reason you're returning the other one.
yes, look at
right
this.
there.
Right there.
It fits at the back and it's not twisted, so it nearly fits at the front, despite the fact that we haven't put any clips in.
There. Like, come on. That's how it should fit.
Absolutely.
This has got to go underneath. So I'll put that in. Ran it for how long like that? Aha!
Good as new.
Good as new. All right, you guys, that's it for today. The new side skirt didn't go on, but we got the old one back on. As you can see, we zap strapped it or drift stitched it. I love zap strapping just about everything. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go and subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about the drift stitching on the GTR. But that's gonna have to do it for now, but until then, we'll see you in the next vlog. Aside from my soul.